How do I run a PHP file in Jenkins? Let's take a quick look at how you can run a PHP file within Jenkins. Here's where we're starting. We have a Jenkins LTS controller version 2.346.1, and attached to this controller, I have an agent that has PHP installed on it. I also have a sample repository, and the link for this repository is down in the description. Let's go ahead and copy the link to this repository, and let's go back over to our controller and let's add a new job. Let's call this PHP pipeline, click OK. We'll change this to pipeline script from SCM. We'll change the SCM to Git. We'll put in our URL. I'm going to change the branch specifier to main, and the Jenkins file is the script path, so we're good for that. Let's go take a look at our Jenkins file before we run the job. In our Jenkins file, we have a pipeline with an agent any. Since we only have one agent set up on this controller, it's going to use that agent. We're first going to verify what version of PHP is installed. If for some reason PHP wasn't installed and we ran PHP version, the job would fail. And then finally, we're running PHP hello.php. Well, what's hello.php? Let's go take a look at it in this repository. And it's just a very simple echo hello world within the PHP tags. Let's go back over to our controller and let's click on Build Now. As the job starts up, let's take a look at it. We're cloning our repository. We're verifying the version of PHP, which in our case is 7.2.24. And then finally, since that exists, we run php hello.php and we get hello world. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter @CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.